Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. I hope you're all doing well. We are here in the lovely Marmaris Promenade and we're going to be checking out the prices so you don't have to. Let's see Wagwan, you all know the vibe. Hope everyone's doing well. So we're at Volo Beach. Been in this one before, it's really big, it's got a big outside space as well. Do check out some of our other videos if you want to see the inside of these ones. Just go to our playlist. So what we got, let's do pizza, 600 lira, some chicken dishes. So if you wanted stir fry, 750 lira. And then you've got your traditional English dishes like your comforts from home, say fish and chips, 700. How much is Efes? 250 lira. Perfect. Thank you very much. Have a good day. So 250 lira for an Efes. Again, still that one that was 200 at Blackpool was the cheapest. So you have to check out the first price video if you want to see that. I've done sort of half the strip and I'm now doing the second part. Got a nice, got our little scooter gang. So yeah, I've got the Green Nature Diamond. I think this is part of the resort, that big hotel.
Oh, that's it then.
Looks really nice. Let me know in the comments if you stayed at that one. Lots of nice seating area. Got a little stage there as well. Very nice. Someone on a jet ski over there. Don't know if you guys will be able to see it with my camera. You've got that massive boat there as well. Yeah, really nice day. Again, this is quite a nice promenade, just to have a little wander around. It's all straight as well, it's not really hilly, so if anyone's sort of got mobility issues, it's relatively straight, and you can also hire those little, yeah, it's very flat, but you can hire those little vehicles as well to travel around. Again, the prices will vary on those. So just shop around. Don't be afraid to go to a few places before committing. Do a bit of bartering. Right, so we're coming up to our next destination, Demir Restaurant and Bar. Let's see what the prices are. So full English breakfast, only $6.50 UK. Hello. Just looking at prices, so burger, fish and chips, 790 lira, and then you got calzone burger, 650. And how much is it for an Efes? Yeah? 200. Good price, thank you. There you go, it's another good price there, 200. All right, let's keep going. So we've got Hollywood, this one's got a dance bar, fun pub. So let's have a look. Steak, pizza, Turkish food, chicken. So let's have a look for a chicken doner kebab, 650 lira. Margherita pizza, 700. And then let's see how much it is if we're going to get ourselves. Hello. See how much of it is just if you're going to get yourself a pint or a cocktail. So there we go. So you got an Efes for 240 lira, and then you got cocktails there, 500 lira. And this is the Hollywood Dance and Fun Bar. So yeah, they're all sort of varying at the moment. Some of them haven't changed, which is quite nice. So from last year, they've managed to keep their prices. So if you are coming back, or if it's your first time, that's quite nice. And then a few have obviously gone up a little bit, but you know, that's usually expected. Don't forget to comment below if you think the prices are a bargain or if you think it's actually gone up way too much from when you sort of used to go to Turkey or have been in Turkey. Love to hear your feedback. Me and Kirk started coming here sort of last year or year before.
Last year.
Yeah, last year. So for us, our price point can only really be from then. But yeah, I know we've had a lot of stories from sort of people who've been coming here for years, and they were sort of telling us how it used to be sort of like 30p, 40p UK money. So yeah, obviously Things change, guys. Wish it could stay the same, but it's inevitable. There we go. So all these roads up there go back up to the main, and we're walking along Marmaris Promenade. Got these beautiful mountains, absolutely stunning. So we have got Miami. I don't know if I'm pronouncing Mamie. Let's have a look at the food. Hello. So sandwich, salad, soup, snacks, pastas, just average prices. How much is it for like a burger?
Like a burger.
Or fish and chips? Ah, there we go. So fish and chips, 900. So your cheeseburger, 6. Lovely. And how much is it for an FS? 250. Perfect. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Thank you. There you go. So again, we've got the nice little beach with the cushiony chairs. Nice sand on this bit, like they've properly cleaned them. It's nice. Looks very smooth, makes a difference. Right, so we've got Diana. Have a look, so you can do karaoke, you've got full English. Hello! So $4.99 for full English. And then for a burger, seafood, steak, chicken. Good? Yeah? Putting you on the spot now. How much is it for an Efes?
200 lira.
200 lira, it's a really good price. And it's large, perfect. There you go, guys, large 200, and that's at Diana. And you got that. Perfect, thank you very much. You too. So yeah, 200 lira. That's a really good price. And then we got a Hana. So English breakfast, Scottish breakfast. Let's have a look. So baguette sandwiches. Let's just do Marmaris pizza, so 550.
Chips as well.
And homemade chips, lovely. And then how much is it for an FS?
For an FS, 200 lira.
200, is that a big size or?
Large bottle of FS, ice cold beer, and we serve it with ice cold glasses on the side.
Ah, perfect.
Is it glass or glasses? Glass. Where are you from?
UK.
Are you gonna share this on YouTube?
Yes.
Yeah, nice one. Ohana means family, guys. You guys are more than welcome. Once you pop in as a stranger, you live as a family. We will look after you and do our best for you while you're in Ohana. We love you long time.
Thank you very much. Have a lovely rest of your day. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. There you go, guys. Large beer, ice cold, with a nice cold glass, 200. Got a nice little pool there that you guys can see. And again, gorgeous viewpoint. Right, so we're coming sort of like to around the edge bit. So this is a nice walk. Eventually, if you do this walk all the way, you'll end up going to Ishmael. We have done that on the channel as well. So if you do want to check that out, have a look in the Marmaris Turkey playlist. And we've got most of the videos on there. And this is the most up-to-date price video for you. So if you're coming out this year, don't forget to watch this, share, like, and subscribe.